Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today the topic of our discussion is urinary tract infection and its home remedies. Human urinary tract consists of two kidneys, ureter, bladder and urethra. Kidney are blood filtering organ. Urethra is a duct that connects kidney to the bladder. Bladder is an organ that holds urine and urethra is a tube that allow urine to pass out of body. So infection in any part of the urinary system can lead to UTI. Urinary system is involved in filtering blood. It maintains your body's water balance and it is involved in urine formation. Women are at greater risk of developing UTI than men. So, type of urinary tract infection. Each type of urinary tract infection may result in more specific symptoms. The symptoms depend on which part of urinary tract is affected. If kidneys are affected, signs and symptoms would be back or side pain, high fever, shaking and chills, nausea, vomiting. If bladder is affected, it will result in pelvic pressure, lower belly discomfort, frequent and painful urination, blood in urine. And if the urethra is affected, it will result in burning or painful urination. Causes. So, bacteria, E. coli bacteria, uropathogenic E. coli bacteria is a causative agent of this infection. So, UTI occurs when this bacteria enters the human urinary system through the urethra. So, it will enter human urinary system through the urethra and it will begin to spread in bladder. Bacteria take hold and grow into a full-blown infection in urinary tract system. How do you treat urinary tract infection? So, drink plenty of water. Drinking water helps in diluting the urine. This leads to urinating more often and it will allow bacteria to be flushed from the urinary tract. So, drink plenty of water. Second is cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is effective in treating UTI infection. So, hydrate yourself. Drink more fluids, drink more water, drink coconut water. So, drinking coconut water regularly might be helpful in treating UTI and it will enhance urinary health. And drink buttermilk. As a probiotic, buttermilk is effective against the UTI. So, your point is to hydrate yourself. Take vitamin C. Vitamin C may be effective remedy for urinary tract infection. So, it will increase the acidity of urine which keep off bacteria. So, vitamin C is also effective in treating this infection. D-mannose. D-mannose is a simple sugar that stick to the bacteria to prevent urinary tract infection. Take pain medicine, over-the-counter pain medicine such as ibuprofen. It will eases urinary frequency, burning, pain and urgency. This pain reliever can help calm the bladder if you have discomfort. So this lecture was about UTI and its home remedies to treat this infection. Kindly like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.